Robert C. 52, an attorney from Manhattan, experienced debilitating chest pains. Robert knew he was not in good health. Every 5 steps he took he had to take a break to catch his breath and felt pressure on his chest every day. Robert didn't want to get out of bed each day. He became very depressed and worried about what was going to happen to him and his caring wife if he was no longer alive to provide for her. Robert went months with this pain until he could not take it anymore. He shared his condition with his loving wife. She urged him to go to the hospital and get checked out. After a few tests, the cardiologist assigned to Robert informed him he had heart disease. He had an 80% blockage in one artery and 2 other arteries had 60% blockages. Robert doctor informed him of 2 solutions: triple bypass or diet change to a plant-based one. Robert was very lucky to have a doctor that even knew about plant-based diets to prevent heart disease. Robert decides to go home and talk it over with his wife. After deep reflections, they decided to go with the plant-based diet. With the push of his wife, Robert decided to find a great holistic doctor near him while still working with his cardiologist to monitor the results. The solution: Robert and his wife did their research online and decided to go with Patients Medical Holistic Center. It's the oldest holistic center in New York. It's run by Dr. Gulati, a very famous holistic doctor. Dr. Gulati is a board-certified holistic internal medicine practitioner with 2 MDs, one each in internal medicine and pathology. Dr. Gulati has over 20 years of medical experience and has hospital privileges at Mount Sinai Hospital in Manhattan. Robert came in to meet Dr. Gulati for a consultation. Dr. Gulati went over all Robert records from his cardiologist. Dr. Gulati also gives Robert some regular tests along with a genetic DNA test which returned some very detailed genetic DNA results that were very useful. After all tests were back, Dr. Gulati put Robert on a low saturated fat plant-based nutrition diet that can help reverse or prevent heart disease and a regimen of pharmaceutical-grade supplements. The result: Robert discovered that after 3 weeks he no longer had angina. Within 4 months his cholesterol number was lower from 310 to 120 and he lost 42 pounds. Go, Robert! When Robert went back to see his cardiologist, he was impressed with Robert's progress and took Robert off his blood pressure, cholesterol and cardiac medications. Robert now says his energy level is way up and feels he has a new lease on life. Robert plans on spending many more years with his caring wife. Robert didn't stop there. He decided to give back by reaching out to other heart disease patients to share his story with them, because if he could reverse his heart disease, anyone could with the right information. The first thing Robert tells them is to go see Dr. Gulati at Patients Medical Center. At Patients Medical Holistic Wellness Center, we believe in working to identify the root cause of your medical problem so we can eliminate it forever if possible from your body. Our physicians combine the best of conventional and holistic medicine with state-of-the-art equipment to provide comprehensive care and treatment to their patients. We now have cutting-edge breakthrough genetic DNA testing available to address many of your health issues. Contact us to learn more about genetic DNA testing so we can design a unique wellness plan just for you. See below for more information about our genetic DNA testing. Please call Dr. Gulati's office at 1-212-794-8800 to make an appointment. We look forward to being of help.